Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make new friends in less than 2 seconds. First, I want you to go to youtube.com. Next, in the search bar, I want you to write live, eat, sleep. As you can see, this channel has one new video, how to make new friends in 2 seconds. It is very important that you click on this. Boom, now you have more friends. If you want even more friends, all you got to do is click the replay button. Watch it again. Wow, now you have 2 friends. Let's do it one more time for 3 friends. Wonderful. Good job. Now, please watch this video again as many times as possible. Hit the like. To get even more friends, you need to hit this like button right here, and then scroll down, and then subscribe. That way you'll get like 20 friends in less than 2 seconds. Nice. Thank you for watching. Watch again. Thank you.